Republic of Uzbekistan.
Hurmatli xonimlar va janoblar, O'zbekiston Respublikasi bilan Pokiston Islom Respublikasi o'rtasida ikki tomonlama hujjatlarni imzolash marosimi boshlanadi.
We are honored by the presence of the Honorable President of the Republic of Uzbekistan, His Excellency Shavkat Miramonovich Mirziyoyev, and the Honorable Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, His Excellency Muhammad Shahbaz Sharif.
O'zbekiston Respublikasi Prezidenti Shavkat Mirziyoyev janobi oliylari hamda Pokiston Islom Respublikasi bosh vaziri Muhammad Shahboz Sharif janobi oliylarining ushbu marosimda ishtirok etayotganlaridan mamnunmiz.
Today, a joint declaration on the outcome of the state visit of the President of the Republic of Uzbekistan to the Islamic Republic of Pakistan will be signed by the two leaders. May I now request the Honorable President of the Republic of Uzbekistan and the Honorable Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan for signing the joint declaration.
O'zbekiston Respublikasi Prezidenti Shavkat Miramonovich Mirziyoyev janobi oliylari hamda Pokiston Islom Respublikasi bosh vaziri Shahboz Sharif janobi oliylari O'zbekiston Respublikasi Prezidentining Pokiston Islom Respublikasiga tashrifi yakunlari bo'yicha qo'shma deklaratsiyani imzolaydilar.
In addition to the joint declaration, 28 agreements and MOUs have been signed between the two sides. Out of these, 20 documents will be exchanged in the presence of the two leaders. First, Program of Coordination and Cooperation between the two Ministries of Foreign Affairs for the year 2026-28 will be exchanged by Senator Muhammad Ishaq Dar, the Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister of Pakistan, and Mr. Abdulaziz Kamilov, Advisor to the President on Foreign Policy of Uzbekistan.
Tashqi siyosat bo'yicha Prezident maslahatchisi Abdulaziz Komilov hamda bosh vazir o'rinbosari Tashqi ishlar vaziri Muhammad Ishaq Dar Tashqi ishlar vazirliklari o'rtasida 2026-2028 yillarga mo'ljallangan hamkorlik dasturini almashadilar.
Mr. Jam Kamal Khan, Minister for Commerce of Pakistan, and Mr. Laziz Kudratov, Minister of Investments, Industry and Trade of Uzbekistan, will exchange two documents. First, Protocol on the expansion of the list of goods under the Preferential Trade Agreement, and second, Agreement for the establishment of Pakistan-Uzbekistan.
Investitsiyalar, sanoat va savdo vaziri Laziz Kudratov hamda savdo vaziri Jam Kamal Khan Imtiyozli savdo to'g'risidagi bitimga yangi mahsulotlar ro'yxatini qo'shish bo'yicha hukumatlararo bayonnoma O'zbekiston-Pokiston hududlararo forumini tashkil etish to'g'risida kelishuvni almashdilar.
Mr. Khwaja Muhammad Asif, Minister of Defense of Pakistan, and Mr. Shohrat Khal Mohammadev, the Minister of Defense of Uzbekistan, will exchange 3 documents: Action Plan for Defense Cooperation, second, MOU in the field of ecology, climate change, and disaster risk reduction, and third, MOU on cooperation in the area of disaster management.
Mudofaa vaziri Shuhrat Xolmuhammedov hamda Mudofaa vaziri Xavaja Muhammad Asif tabiiy ofatlarni boshqarish, tabiiy ofatlarga qarshi kurashish hamda mudofaa sohasida hamkorlik to'g'risida kelishuvlar va yo'l xaritasini almashadilar.
Mr. Rana Tanveer Hussain, Minister for National Food Security and Research of Pakistan, and Mr. Ibrahim Abdur Rahmanov, Minister of Agriculture of Uzbekistan, will exchange 3 documents. First, MOU for cooperation in agriculture. Second, protocol on phytosanitary requirements for export of fresh apples, figs, lemon, and hot pepper. And third, cooperation agreement between the Ministry of National Food Security and Ministry of Agriculture of Uzbekistan.
Qishloq xo'jaligi vaziri Ibrohim Abdurahmonov hamda oziq-ovqat xavfsizligi va tadqiqotlar vaziri Rana Tanveer Hussain ho'l olma, anjir, limon va achiq qalampir mahsulotlarini eksport qilish bo'yicha fitosanitariya talablari to'g'risidagi bayonnoma, qishloq xo'jaligi sohasida hamkorlik hamda qishloq xo'jaligi tadqiqotlarini rivojlantirish sohasida bitimlarni almashdilar.
Mr. Rana Sanaullah Khan, Minister for Interprovincial Coordination of Pakistan, and Mr. Laziz Kudratov, Minister of Investment, Industry and Trade of Uzbekistan, will exchange an MOU on cooperation in the field of physical culture and sports.
Investitsiyalar, sanoat va savdo vaziri Laziz Qudratov hamda mintaqalararo muvofiqlashtirish vaziri Rana Sanaullah Khan sport sohasida hamkorlik to'g'risida bitimni almashdilar.
Mr. Muhammad Ishaq Dar, the Deputy Prime Minister and the Foreign Minister of Pakistan, and Mr. Babar Islamov, Minister of Mining, Industry and Ecology and Geology of Uzbekistan, will exchange an MOU on cooperation in the field of mining and geosciences.
Tog' sanoati va geologiya vaziri Bobir Islomov hamda bosh vazir o'rinbosari Tashqi ishlar vaziri Muhammad Ishaq Dar tog' va geologiya sohasida hamkorlik bo'yicha kelishuvni almashdilar.
Mr. Talal Chaudhry, Minister of State for Interior of Pakistan, and Mr. Abdulaziz Kamilov, Advisor to the President on Foreign Policy Issues, will exchange 2 documents. First, agreement on the transfer of sentenced persons, and second, agreement on cooperation in combating illicit trafficking in narcotic drugs.
Tashqi siyosat bo'yicha prezident maslahatchisi Abdulaziz Komilov hamda ichki ishlar davlat vaziri Talal Chaudhry ozodlikdan mahrum etilgan shaxslarni jazoni davom ettirish uchun topshirish to'g'risida davlatlararo bitim hamda giyohvandlik vositalari va psixotrop moddalarning noqonuniy aylanishiga qarshi kurashda hamkorlik to'g'risida hukumatlararo bitimni almashdilar.
Ms. Shaza Fatma Khwaja, Minister for Information Technology of Pakistan, and Mr. Laziz Kudratov, Minister of Investments, Industry and Trade of Uzbekistan, will exchange MOU between the Ministry of Information Technology of Pakistan and Ministry of Digital Technologies of Uzbekistan.
Investitsiyalar, sanoat va savdo vaziri Laziz Qudratov hamda axborot texnologiyalari vaziri Shaza Fatima Khwaja raqamli texnologiyalar sohasida hamkorlik to'g'risida idoralararo bitimni almashdilar.
Mr. Aurangzeb Khan Khichi, Minister for National Heritage and Culture of Pakistan, and Mr. Azad Beg Nazarbekov, Minister of Culture of Uzbekistan, will exchange 2 documents. First, agreement on preservation of heritage of Baburids, and second, agreement on cooperation in the field of culture.
Madaniyat vaziri Ozodbek Nazarbekov hamda Milliy meros va madaniyat vaziri Avrangzeb Xanxichi buyuk Boburiylar ilmiy merosi madaniy me'moriy merosni asrash to'g'risida hukumatlararo bitim hamda madaniyat sohasida hamkorlik to'g'risida idoralararo bitimni almashdilar.
Mr. Junaid Anwar Chaudhry, Minister for Maritime Affairs of Pakistan, and Mr. Laziz Kudratov, Minister of Investments of Uzbekistan, will exchange an MOU on facilitation of maritime trade and preferential port arrangements for cargo carriers at the ports of Karachi, Gwadar, and Ben Qasim.
Investitsiyalar, sanoat va savdo vaziri Laziz Qudratov hamda dengiz ishlari vaziri Junayd Anvar Chaudhary dengiz port xizmatlari va chegirmalar bo'yicha hamkorlik to'g'risida idoralararo bitimni almashdilar.
Sayyid Mustafa Kamal, Minister for National Health Services of Pakistan, and Mr. Abdullah Azizov, Director of Agency of Pharmaceutical Industry of Uzbekistan, will exchange MOU on cooperation in the field of pharmaceutical products, regulatory functions.
Farmatsevtika tarmog'ini rivojlantirish agentligi direktori Abdulla Azizov hamda Sog'liqni saqlash vaziri Said Mustafa Kamal farmatsevtika mahsulotlarini nazorat qilish sohasida hamkorlik to'g'risida kelishuvni almashdilar.
Mr. Jam Kamal Khan, Minister for Commerce of Pakistan, and Mr. Nazim John, Director for the Agency of Development of Light Industry, will exchange cooperation agreement for textile and apparel industry.
Yengil sanoatni rivojlantirish agentligi direktori Nozimjon Xolmurodov hamda savdo vaziri Jam Kamal Khan yengil sanoat sohasida hamkorlik to'g'risida kelishuvni almashdilar.
Mr. Haroon Akhtar, SAPM on Industries and Production of Pakistan, and Mr. Laziz Qudratov, Minister for Investments of Uzbekistan, will sign an MOU on facilitation of small and medium businesses.
Investitsiyalar, sanoat va savdo vaziri Laziz Qudratov hamda sanoat va ishlab chiqarish bo'yicha bosh vazirning maxsus yordamchisi Haroon Akhtar kichik va o'rta biznesni rivojlantirish sohasida hamkorlik to'g'risida anglashuv memorandumini almashdilar.
In addition to the 21 documents signed and exchanged, following documents have also been signed. 22nd, MOU between the University of Peshawar and the Tashkent State University of Oriental Studies. 23rd, MOU between Institute of Strategic Studies Islamabad and Institute of Strategic and Regional Studies under the President of Uzbekistan. 24th, MOU between the Institute of Regional Studies of Pakistan and Institute of Strategic and Regional Studies under the President of Uzbekistan on the establishment of Pakistan Uzbek Expert Council. 25th, MOU on cooperation in the field of nuclear and radiation safety. 26, MOU between National Accountability Bureau of Pakistan and Anti-Corruption Agency of Uzbekistan. 27, MOU on establishing partnership relationship between Peshawar City Administration of Pakistan and Tirmez City Administration of Uzbekistan. 28, MOU on developing cooperation between Islamabad and Samarkand. And 29, Agreement on establishment of Uzbek-Pakistan Joint Business Council.
Shuningdek, ushbu tashrif doirasida umumiy soni 29 ta bo'lgan korrupsiyaga qarshi kurashish, radiatsiya va yadro xavfsizligi, O'zbekiston va Pokiston qo'shma biznes kengashini tashkil etish, Termiz va Peshawar shaharlari o'rtasida sheriklik, Samarqand va Islomobod shaharlari o'rtasida sheriklik, O'zbekiston-Pokiston ekspertlar kengashini tashkil etish, strategik va mintaqalararo tadqiqotlar institutlari o'rtasida hamkorlik, Toshkent Sharqshunoslik universiteti bilan Peshawar universiteti o'rtasida hamkorlik to'g'risida bitim va kelishuvlar imzolandi.
This concludes the official exchange of documents ceremony. Excellencies, in the recognition of the exceptional contributions of His Excellency Shavkat Mirziyoyev, the President of the Republic of Uzbekistan, towards fostering strong bilateral ties between Pakistan and Uzbekistan and promoting peace and development in the region, the government of Pakistan has decided to confer honorary doctorate of philosophy and honorary title of professorship on His Excellency Mr. Shavkat Mirziyoyev.
Va janoblar, hurmatli janob oliylar, O'zbekiston Respublikasi Prezidenti Shavkat Mirziyoyev janob oliylarining Pokiston va O'zbekiston o'rtasidagi mustahkam ikki tomonlama aloqalarni rivojlantirish, mintaqada tinchlik va taraqqiyotni qo'llab-quvvatlash yo'lidagi alohida va beqiyos hissalarni e'tirof etgan holda Pokiston hukumati O'zbekiston Respublikasi Prezidenti Shavkat Mirziyoyev janobi oliylariga faxriy falsafa fanlari doktori ilmiy darajasini berishga qaror qildi.
May I now invite the Registrar of the National University of Sciences and Technology of Pakistan to read out the citation for conferment of degree and honorary title of professor upon the Honorable President.
Ladies and gentlemen, I extend a very warm welcome to His Excellency Shaukat Mirziyoyev, President of the Republic of Uzbekistan, along with all the esteemed dignitaries from Uzbekistan.
Hurmatli xonimlar va janoblar, O'zbekiston Respublikasi Prezidenti Shavkat Mirziyoyev janobi oliylari hamda O'zbekistondan tashrif buyurgan barcha hurmatli delegatsiya a'zolarini samimiy qutlaymiz.
We also very warm welcome extended to His Excellency Muhammad Shehbaz Sharif, Prime Minister of Islamic Republic of Pakistan and Chancellor, National University of Sciences and Technology, and all esteemed dignitaries.
Shuningdek, Pokiston Islom Respublikasi bosh vaziri va Fan va texnologiyalar Milliy universiteti kansleri janobi oliylari janob Muhammad Shahboz Sharifni hamda barcha oliy martabali mehmonlarni chin dildan qutlaymiz.
Today's ceremony is organized as a special convocation of the National University of Sciences and Technology, NUST, for the conferment of honorary degree of philosophy and the honorary title of professor upon His Excellency, the President of Republic of Uzbekistan.
Bugungi marosim Fan va texnologiyalar Milliy universiteti tomonidan O'zbekiston Respublikasi Prezidenti janobi oliylari sharafiga faxriy falsafa fanlari doktori ilmiy darajasi hamda faxriy professor unvonini topshirish munosabati bilan tashkil etilgan maxsus marosim hisoblanadi.
Ladies and gentlemen, universities, as custodian of knowledge and innovation, have long honored the leaders whose vision and commitments to progress have shaped the development of their nations and contributed to the advancement of the humanity. In this tradition, the National University of Sciences and Technology, NUST, recognizes individuals whose leaderships embodies the value of education, scientific inquiry, and international cooperation.
Hurmatli xonimlar va janoblar, universitetlar bilim va innovatsiya posbonlari sifatida azaldan o'z qarashlari va taraqqiyotga bo'lgan sadoqati orqali o'z mamlakatlari rivojiga hamda insoniyat ravnaqiga hissa qo'shgan yetakchilarni e'zozlab kelmoqda. Shu an'anaga muvofiq Fanlar va texnologiyalar Milliy universiteti ta'lim, ilmiy izlanish va xalqaro hamkorlik qadriyatlarini o'zida mujassam etgan shaxslarni e'tirof etadi.
His Excellency Shaukat Mirziyoyev, President of the Republic of Uzbekistan, stands among such exceptional leaders. Since assuming office, he has guided Uzbekistan through a transformative period of political, economic, and social reforms, placing knowledge, innovation, and human capital at the center of national development. His vision of a new Uzbekistan has accelerated modernization, digital transformation, and sustainable growth while strengthening the country's scientific and educational institutions.
O'zbekiston Respublikasi Prezidenti Shavkat Mirziyoyev janobi oliylari ana shunday noyob yetakchilar safidan munosib o'rin egallaydi. Lavozimga kirishganidan buyon bilim, innovatsiya va inson kapitalini milliy taraqqiyotning markaziga qo'yib, O'zbekistonni siyosiy, iqtisodiy va ijtimoiy islohotlarning tubdan yangilanish davridan olib bormoqda. Uning yangi O'zbekiston haqidagi qarashi modernizatsiya, raqamli transformatsiya va barqaror o'sishni jadallashtirib, mamlakatning ilmiy va ta'lim muassasalarini mustahkamlashga xizmat qildi.
Under his leadership, Uzbekistan has significantly expanded investment in higher education, research, and innovation. He has championed the modernization of universities, promoted academic excellence, and fostered closer collaboration between government, academia, and industry. His policies have created new opportunities for young scholars, researchers, and entrepreneurs, enabling them to contribute meaningfully to national and regional progress. In the fields of academics, it is worth mentioning that National University of Sciences and Technology and Pharmaceutical Technical University of Uzbekistan have recently signed an MOU to establish collaborative relations between two institutions in the field of academics and research.
Uning rahbarligi ostida O'zbekistonda oliy ta'lim, ilmiy tadqiqotlar va innovatsiyalar sohasiga yo'naltirilayotgan investitsiyalar sezilarli darajada kengaydi. U universitetlarni modernizatsiya qilishni qo'llab-quvvatladi, akademik mukammallikni targ'ib qildi hamda hukumat, akademiya va sanoat o'rtasidagi yaqin hamkorlikni rivojlantirdi. Uning siyosati yosh olimlar, tadqiqotchilar va tadbirkorlar uchun yangi imkoniyatlar yaratib, ularning milliy va mintaqaviy taraqqiyotga mazmunli hissa qo'shishiga zamin yaratdi.
President Shaukat Mirziyoyev has also demonstrated a deep commitment to international academic partnerships. In particular, he has actively supported the strengthening of educational and scientific cooperation between Uzbekistan and Pakistan. His encouragement of academic exchanges, joint research initiatives, and institutional collaboration has contributed to deepening intellectual ties between the two countries, reinforcing mutual understanding and people-to-people connections.
Prezident Shavkat Mirziyoyev xalqaro akademik hamkorlikka ham chuqur sadoqat namoyon etib kelmoqda. Xususan, u O'zbekiston va Pokiston o'rtasidagi ta'lim va ilmiy hamkorlikni mustahkamlashni faol qo'llab-quvvatladi. Akademik almashinuvlar, qo'shma ilmiy tadqiqot tashabbuslari va institutsional hamkorlikni rag'batlantirishi ikki mamlakat o'rtasidagi intellektual aloqalarning chuqurlashishiga, o'zaro anglashuv va xalqlar o'rtasidagi aloqalarning mustahkamlanishiga xizmat qildi.
Beyond bilateral engagement, His Excellency President Mirziyoyev has played a pivotal role in advancing regional cooperation in Central Asia. He has consistently advocated the significance of collaboration in science, technology, and innovation for sustainable development and improving living standards. His leadership has fostered a culture of partnership that transcends borders and benefits the broader regions of Central and South Asia.
Ikki tomonlama aloqalardan tashqari Prezident Mirziyoyev janobi oliylari Markaziy Osiyoda mintaqaviy hamkorlikni rivojlantirishda muhim rol o'ynadi. U barqaror rivojlanish va turmush darajasini yaxshilash yo'lida fan, texnologiya va innovatsiya sohalaridagi hamkorlikning ahamiyatini izchil targ'ib qilib kelmoqda. Uning yetakchiligi chegaralardan ustun bo'lgan hamkorlik madaniyatini shakllantirib, Markaziy va Janubiy Osiyo mintaqalari uchun keng ko'lamli manfaatlar yaratdi.
Through his steadfast dedication to international cooperation, President Shavkat Mirziyoyev has made an enduring contribution to knowledge, innovation, and societal progress.
Ta'limga bo'lgan sobit sadoqati, ilmiy taraqqiyotni qo'llab-quvvatlashi va xalqaro hamkorlikni rivojlantirishga bo'lgan intilishi orqali Prezident Shavkat Mirziyoyev bilim, innovatsiya va jamiyat taraqqiyotiga barqaror hissa qo'shdi.
Ladies and gentlemen, in recognition to his superb leadership and distinct contributions to bilateral ties, the Board of Governors, National University of Sciences and Technology, NUST, has approved the conferment of the honorary degree of philosophy and the title of honorary professor upon him.
Hurmatli xonimlar va janoblar, uning yuksak yetakchiligi hamda ikki tomonlama aloqalarni rivojlantirishga qo'shgan alohida hissalarini e'tirof etgan holda Fan va texnologiyalar milliy universiteti boshqaruvchilar kengashi unga faxriy falsafa fanlari doktori ilmiy darajasi hamda faxriy professor unvonini berishni ma'qulladi.
I, Registrar NUST, request Rector NUST to confer the honorary degree of Doctor of Philosophy upon His Excellency Shavkat Mirziyoyev, the President of Republic of Uzbekistan.
NUST Universitet rektoridan faxriy falsafa fanlari doktori ilmiy darajasini O'zbekiston Respublikasi Prezidenti Shavkat Mirziyoyev janobi oliylariga tantanali ravishda topshirishlarini so'raymiz.
In accordance with the resolution of the board and by virtue of the authority vested in me as rector of the university, I admit to the honorary degree of the Doctor of Philosophy, and in token thereof, I authorize you to wear the robe ordained as the insignia of the degree.
Kengash qarori asosida va universitet tomonidan menga berilgan vakolat asosida men ushbu falsafa doktori unvonini tantanali ravishda taqdim qilishga qaror qabul qildim.
May I request the Honorable President and the Prime Minister to come in front of the table for the award ceremony, please.
Ushbu marosimni tantanali ravishda o'tkazish uchun O'zbekiston Respublikasi Prezidenti va Pokiston Islom Respublikasi bosh vazirini stolning oldiga chiqishlarini so'rab qolamiz.
I now request the Honorable Prime Minister of Pakistan and Chancellor NUST and Rector NUST to award doctorate degree and certificate of title of Professor of National University of Sciences and Technology to His Excellency Professor Dr. Shavkat Mirziyoyev.
NUST kansleri hamda NUST rektoridan O'zbekiston Respublikasi Prezidenti janob oliylari Professor Dr. Shavkat Mirziyoyevga Fan va texnologiyalar milliy universitetining doktorlik diplomi hamda professor unvoni sertifikati topshirishlarini iltimos qilaman.
Sir, please. Thank you, sir.
Katta rahmat.
To sign a protocol for enhancing bilateral trade and economic cooperation between the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and the Republic of Uzbekistan to enhance the bilateral trade to $2 billion within the next 5 years.
Hurmatli xonimlar va janoblar, delegatsiyaning tashrifi mobaynida ikkala rahbar xususan yuqori darajali protokolga qo'l qo'yishga qaror qabul qilgan edilar. Ushbu protokolimiz bizni ikki tomonlama savdo va iqtisodiy aloqalarni kuchaytirishga qaratilgan. Xususan, Pokiston Islom Respublikasi va O'zbekiston Respublikasi o'rtasidagi aloqalarni kuchaytirish va shu bilan birgalikda savdo miqdorini $2 milliard ga keyingi yillar mobaynida kuchaytirishga qaratilgan.
The two sides shall constitute a joint working group to formulate an action plan for identifying sectors for enhancing bilateral trade and economic cooperation through mutual consultations.
Ikkala tomon ham qo'shma ishchi guruhini ta'sis etish qaroriga kelishdi va ushbu ishchi guruhimiz harakatlar rejasini shakllantirib beradi. Bu reja asosida ikki tomonlama savdo va iqtisodiy hamkorlik yo'nalishlarini yanada kuchaytirish bo'yicha chora-tadbirlar belgilanadi.
The two honorable leaders are requested to kindly sign the documents.
Biz ikkala hurmatli rahbarni hujjatni qo'l qo'yishga chorlaymiz.
May I now request the Honorable Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, His Excellency, Mr. Muhammad Shahbaz Sharif, for his kind remarks.
Endi Pokiston Islom Respublikasi bosh vaziri Muhammad Shahbaz Sharif janobi oliylarini o'zining ezgu so'zlari bilan chiqish qilishga taklif etaman.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And my dear brother, Professor Dr. President Shavkat Mirziyoyev.
Janobi oliylari, qadrli do'stim, hurmatli professor, doktor, prezident Shavkat Mirziyoyev.
Honorable ministers and delegates from Uzbekistan and Pakistan, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening.
Hurmatli O'zbekiston va Pokiston vazirlari, delegatsiya a'zolari, xonimlar va janoblar, assalomu alaykum va xayrli kech.
Excellency, we are extremely delighted to have you and your wonderful delegation in Islamabad your second home, and this is your second visit to Pakistan in 4 years' time.
Hurmatli janob oliylari, biz aytib o'tmoqchi edikki, sizni va sizni ajoyib delegatsiyangizni ushbu yerda Islomobodda sizni ikkinchi uyingizda ko'rayotganimizdan bag'oyatda mamnunmiz. Bu sizning Pokistonga bo'lgan ikkinchi tashrifingiz, xususan 4 yil ichida.
I would like to avail of this opportunity, my dear brother, Mr. President, to congratulate you for being awarded the degree of professor and doctor by NUST University, Islamabad, Pakistan, for your meritorious services, your unwavering dedication and your commitment to serve not only our brothers and sisters in Uzbekistan, but your great contribution in promoting peace, progress and prosperity in the neighboring countries.
Ushbu imkoniyatdan foydalangan tarzda qadrdon do'stim, janob oliylar, hurmatli prezident, sizni ushbu professor va doktor unvonini olganingiz bilan tabriklamoqchiman. Bunday unvon NUST universiteti tomonidan bu yerda Islomobodda, Pokistonda taqdim qilindi va bunday unvon xususan sizning sa'y-harakatlaringizga, vafodorligingizga, taraqqiyotga bo'lgan sadoqatingizga va ko'rsatayotgan sobit xizmatlaringizni e'tirofi sifatida taqdim qilinyapti. Sizning xizmatlaringiz nafaqatgina O'zbekistondagi aka-ukalar, opa-singillarga qaratilgan, balki-da kattaroq mintaqada bo'lgan qo'shni davlatlarda ham tinchlik, taraqqiyot va farovonlikni yo'lga qo'yishga bo'lgan sa'y-harakatlaringizni bu e'tirofidir.
Your Excellency, I would also like to convey my heartfelt congratulations on being awarded the highest civil award of Pakistan, Nishan-e-Pakistan. In English we would say symbol of Pakistan, for your great services and contribution to strengthen our brotherly relations and your commitment friendly relations into economic cooperation, trade, investment in various sectors of the two countries. I think, Mr. President, if we had a bigger title and award, you would have been the fittest recipient of this award.
Hurmatli janob oliylari, ushbu fursatdan foydalangan holda men chin qalbimdan sizni yana bir bora Pokistonning oliy fuqarolik nishoni bilan nishonlanganingizni tabriklamoqchiman. Xususan bu nishoni Pokiston, ya'ni Pokiston nishoni deb tarjima qilinadi. Bu sizning yuksak bo'lgan xizmatingiz uchun va shu bilan birgalikda qo'shayotgan hissalaringiz uchun, xususan ikki qardosh davlat o'rtasidagi birodarlik aloqalarini yanada kuchaytirish, do'stona aloqalarimizni turli tuman yo'nalishlarga, xususan savdo, iqtisodiy rivojlanish, investitsiya va bundan tashqari yana ko'p sohalarga tatbiq qilayotganingiz uchun berilayotgan e'tirof nishoni hisoblanadi. Menimcha, agar bizning davlatimizda bundan ham oliyroq nishon bo'lganida, albatta eng mos keladigan shaxs bu siz bo'lardingiz.
Your Excellency, Pakistan and Uzbekistan have deep-rooted historical, spiritual and cultural relations connected by the ancient Silk Route spanning over centuries. The Mughal legacy originating from the valley of Farghana and the intellectual luminaries of Samarkand and Bukhara have etched a deep mark on Pakistan's history.
Hurmatli janob oliylari, Pokiston va O'zbekiston uzoq muddatlik chuqur aloqalarga ega. Bu aloqalarimiz ruhiy, tarixiy va ma'naviy hisoblanadi va qadimgi zamondagi buyuk Ipak yo'lidan boshlab turib, shu bilan birgalikda Mo'g'ullar imperiyasini oladigan bo'lsak, yoki da Farg'ona vodiysi, xususan Samarqand, Buxoro shaharlarining intellektual yutuqlari Pokistonni tarixida katta o'rin egallagan.
These historical facts provide a very sound foundation of our durable relations and a very bright future.
Ushbu tarixiy faktlar bizning porloq kelajagimiz va ishonchli aloqalarimiz uchun kuchli bir fundamentni yaratadi.
I would like to convey my deepest sense of gratitude for your leadership and your vision and your commitment to take these relations to heights not known till this point in time.
Bo'layotgan yetakchilik va rahbarlik faoliyatingizga va xususan bizni ushbu birodarlik aloqalarimizni yuksaklarga ko'tarayotganingizga.
And I can never forget the warmth and affection showered upon us during my great visit to your great country in February last year, and those memories will remain fresh in our minds for all times to come. Mr. President, we tried to do our best to arrange warmest welcome for you and your delegation, but I'd like to apologize if we have lacked in any way. But I hope, obviously we could not surpass your warmth, but if we can match your warmth, I think we would have earned our day.
O'tgan yili fevral oyida bo'lgan tashrifim mobaynida bizga yuqori darajalik iliq mezmondoshchilikni ko'rsatgan edingiz va ushbu bo'lgan xotiralar iliq tarzda, barra tarzda hali hanuz mening yodimda. Va hurmatli janob prezident va sizni delegatsiyangizga biz ham mana shunday iliq mezmondoshchilik ko'rsatmoqchi bo'ldik. Va albatta sizni mehmondoshchiligingiz darajasidan biz hech qachon o'tib keta olmaymiz. Lekin umid qilamizki hech qanday kamchilik bo'lmayapti va hech bo'lmaganda sizni darajangizga yaqinlashishga sazovor bo'ldik degan umiddamiz.
Today, Mr. President, we held the inaugural meeting of the high-level Strategic Cooperation Council. This structured mechanism heralds for a very bright future for both our brotherly countries and our people. And in line with your vision, I want to assure you that I will work very closely with you for regional connectivity, as we both are in total agreement that Uzbekistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan rail project will be a game changer, not only for our countries, but for the entire region. And in that, we are ready to join hands and work together to raise funds for this project on the basis of our feasibility and business plan.
Bugun biz oliy darajadagi strategik hamkorlik kengashining ochilish uchrashuvini o'tkazdik va biz bu kengashni juda ham katta mexanizm sifatida ko'ramiz. Bu mexanizm ikkala birodar davlatning aloqalarini yanada kuchaytirishga, shu bilan birgalikda nafaqatgina davlatimizga, balki bizning aholalarimizga manfaatli bo'ladigan fundament hisoblanadi. Shu bilan birgalikda biz olib boradigan ishlarimiz, xususan O'zbekiston, Afg'oniston, Pokiston temir yo'li loyihasi biz kelishganimizdek o'yinni o'zgartirib yuboradigan loyiha bo'ladi. Bu nafaqatgina bizning davlatlarimizga farovonlik olib keladi, balki-da mintaqadagi yuksak yana yutuqlarga olib keladi. Hurmatli Janob Prezident, men shak shubhasiz yana shu narsani ta'kidlab o'tmoqchi edimki, biz o'z tomonimizdan qo'ldan kelgancha barcha sa'y-harakatlarni ushbu loyihani moliyalashtirishni yanada kengaytirishga qaratamiz va birgalikda ushbu yutuqlarga erisha olamiz.
My dear brother, Mr. President, I know for a fact, and it is no flattery at all, rather without an array of flattery, that you are a man of action. You speak less and you act more. And today's signing of this protocol, which we have just signed together, is a great manifestation of our commitment, your commitment, my commitment, to work together and enhance and expand our economic relations in the field of agriculture, pharmaceutical, textile, leather shoes, tourism, IT, and so on and so forth. We have just signed this protocol, which will lead to constitution of a working group between our two countries. From our side, it will be led by Minister Harun Akhtar, a very dynamic member of our team, and a member from your wonderful team. And they will work day in, day out to chart out a 5-year plan which will cover all spheres of our economic activity. This will be a game changer. This will really move towards a cooperation which world would not have observed before. In this behalf, we have also agreed that we will have a review meeting quarterly of performance and progress of this arrangement. And as I said, instead of having Zoom meetings, Mr. President, let us put protocol aside, formalities aside. I will, with my delegation, land Tashkent, inshallah, and drive straight to your office, have 2 hours working session, and return. And then during the next term, you will kindly come to Islamabad with your delegation, have working session, and then return back to Tashkent in 1.5 hours the same day. This will be a sure and guaranteed form to really have great achievements and dividends in times to come.
Hurmatli janob prezident, men aniq bilaman siz harakatlar odami ekanligingizni va siz nafaqatgina so'zlarda, balki-da harakatlarda yaxshi yutuqlarni ko'rsatasiz. Siz shiddamlik bilan, tezlik bilan harakatlanasiz. Bugungi kunda biz birgalikda protokolga qo'l qo'ydik va ushbu protokolimiz asosida biz ko'plab sohalar bo'yicha iqtisodiy aloqalarni yanada kengaytirishni rejalashtiramiz. Xususan, qishloq xo'jaligi yo'nalishi, farmatsevtika yo'nalishi, to'qimachilik, charm sanoati, turizm sohasi, IT va hokazo. Shu bilan birgalikda bu protokolga imzo chekar ekanmiz. Uning asosida ishchi guruh davlat miqyosida shakllanishi ham rejalashtirilgan. Bizning tomonimizdan hurmatli vazir Harun Akhtar qatnashadilar. Ular juda ham dinamik bo'lgan, harakatchan bizning jamoamizning asosi. Siz tomondan ham ajoyib vaziringiz borlar va maxsus ushbu ishchi guruhning a'zosi sifatida ular ham faoliyat yuritishadi va birgalikda 5 yillik ish rejasini ishlab chiqishadi. Bu 5 yillik rejamiz iqtisodiy rivojlanishning ham va iqtisodiy hamkorlikning ko'plab yo'nalishlarini o'z ichiga qamrab oladi. Va ushbu ishchi guruhimiz kelishganimizdek chorak tarzda uchrashuvlarni o'tkazib turadi. Lekin bundan oldingi nutqimda ta'kidlab o'tganimdek, keling ushbu uchrashuvlarimizni onlayn Zoom orqali emas, balki-da protokolni chetga surgan tarzda, offlayn tarzda amalga oshirsak. Men o'zimni jamoamni olaman va sizning davlatingizga Toshkentga tashrif buyuraman. Sizning ofisingizda 2 soat mobaynida uchrashuv o'tkazib, batafsil masalalarni muhokama qilishimiz mumkin bo'ladi. Bundan keyin biz qaytib ketamiz va o'zimizning ofisimizda ishni davom ettiramiz. Xuddi shunday bizning tashrifimizdan keyin siz ham o'z tashrifingizni amalga oshirsangiz bo'ladi. Ishonchim komilki, mana shunday yondashuv orqali ushbu ishchi guruhimizni samaradorligini yanada oshiramiz va birgalikda yuksak marralarga erishamiz.
Your Excellency, I'd like to thank you on behalf of people of Pakistan and my government for your generous gift of Babar Park and Tashkent Lane along with Farg'ona village.
Hurmatli janob prezident, o'zimni shaxsan nomimdan va Pokiston aholisi nomidan sizga katta minnatdorchilik bildirmoqchiman. Bizga bergan ushbu sovg'angiz uchun, ya'ni Toshkent ko'chasi, Bobur bog'i va Farg'ona qishlog'ini nomlash bo'yicha.
We are very happy that you're also a member of Board of Peace along with Pakistan and other Muslim and Arab countries. Together, hopefully, we will, inshallah, under the chairmanship of President Trump, be able to, in Gaza, its reconstruction and hopefully materialize two-state solution of Palestine. Your Excellency, thank you very much also for your support to the cause of the people of Kashmir, and together we will work for peace and prosperity, not only for our two countries, but for the region. In conclusion, I'd like to thank you once again and conclude my speech by saying, long live Pakistan-Uzbekistan friendship.
Hurmatli janob prezident, O'zbekiston, Pokiston va yana boshqa musulmon dunyosining davlatlari bilan birgalikda biz G'azadagi masalaga yechim topamiz degan umiddamiz va u yerdagi uzoq muddatli tinchlikni o'rnata olamiz degan umiddamiz. Shu bilan birgalikdagi Falastindagi muammoning yechimini ham birga topamiz degan umiddamiz va Trampning sa'y-harakatlariga qarshi tura olamiz degan niyatdamiz. Bundan tashqari Kashmir aholisi va u yerdagi tinchlik, farovonlikni, xususan nafaqatgina ikkita davlat o'rtasidagi tinchlik, farovonlik, balki-da mintaqadagi tinchligingiz uchun katta rahmat va so'zimning oxirida men bir narsani aytib o'tmoqchi edim. Pokiston va O'zbekiston do'stona aloqalari abadiy bo'lsin. Tramp boshchiligidagi Falastindagi masalani yechamiz degan umiddamiz. Rahmat.
May I now request the Honorable President of the Republic of Uzbekistan, His Excellency, Professor Dr. Shavkat Miramonovich Mirziyoyev, for his kind remarks.
Endi O'zbekiston Respublikasi Prezidenti Professor Dr. Shavkat Mirziyoyev janobi oliylariga o'zining ezgu so'zlarini biz bilan ulashishlari uchun taklif etaman.
Muhtaram bosh vazir janoblari, hurmatli ommaviy axborot vositalari, hurmatli delegatsiya a'zolari, hurmatli men uchun Shavkat Sharif janoblari oliylarini mana shu yurtlarida bugun mana shunday bizni delegatsiyamizni yuqori martabali mehmon sifatida shunday ehtirom bilan kutib olgani uchun alohida minnatdorchilik bildirmoqchiman. Bugun men shunday qisqa fursatda professor ham bo'ldim, doktor ham bo'ldim.
Honorable Prime Minister, Your Excellency, honorable representatives of mass media. First of all, my dear brother, Honorable Shahbaz Sharif, Your Excellency, first of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude from the bottom of my heart for accepting us for welcoming us at such a high level. And this was quite a short discussions, short day, but during that short several hours we achieved a lot. And especially I would like to, on the outset, to also mention that remarkable outcome of the day, that during one day I became a professor and doctor at the same time.
albatta bu har bir insonni hayotida bu tarixiy kun bo'ladi, bu tarixiy kun esda qoladigan kun bo'ladi. Shuning uchun Islomobodda, Pokistonda bugungi chislo men uchun, meni oilam uchun baxtli kun. Nimaga desangiz, men ko'p vaqt umrimda oliy ta'limda bag'ishlagan inson hech qachon bilmavdimki, shunday qisqa muddatda doktor, professor bo'lish, mana shunday hurmatga sazovor bo'lish. Yana bir marta mana shu Shahboz Sharif janoblari sizga alohida mana shu, men bilmayman O'zbekistonda qanday biz mehmondorchilik qilgan, men bilmayman, lekin bugungi mehmondorchilik, bugungi hurmat, ehtirom hammasidan oshib chiqdi. Biz sizlardan bunga o'rganishimiz kerak deb o'ylayman.
And of course, Your Excellency, I would like to say that in a lifetime, a lifespan of any person, there are some historic days that you will remember for the rest of your time, of your life. And today was one of those days for me personally, and not only for me, but for the whole family of mine. And today's date I can actually mark in my calendar for my family. This is a remarkable historic day where we received such a great honor in Pakistan, and I was also awarded the scientific level of professor and doctor. So I can say that this was quite unique and a very astonishing result for me, because as a person who has worked in the academia for 15 years before, I never came across a situation when a person can receive the professor and doctor's degree in a short period of time. And of course, I cannot say what level of the high level of the being host and hospitality you mentioned about your visit, when you paid visit to Uzbekistan, that we have showed high level of hospitality. I cannot remember that, but I can truly and very clearly see the highest level of hospitality you have provided to us during this visit. I would like to thank you for that as well.
Yana bir marta Pokiston Fan va Texnologiyalar Milliy Universitetining faxriy doktorlik unvoni taqdim etilgani uchun ham o'zimning chuqur minnatdorchiligimni izhor etishdan men juda minnatdorman. Mana hozir rektor bilan gaplashdim. Men endi o'zim bilan katta yuk olib ketyapman. Bu universitetga juda katta qarzdorligimni sezib ketyapman va rektorni kollektiv bilan albatta qaysidir, mana hozir men topshiriq berdim. Bizda eng yuqori darajadagi zamonaviy universitetimiz bor. Tog' metallurgiya bo'yicha o'shani ministrga topshiriq berdim. Mana shu Pokiston Fan va Texnologiya Milliy Universitetini kafedrasini ochishga borgandan qaror qabul qilib, o'zim shuni tashkil qilaman. Nimaga aytsangiz, bu universitet bilan hamkorlikni yuqori darajaga chiqarmasak, endi qanday natijalar erishishimiz o'z yo'liga, lekin yoshlarni ham mana shu O'zbekiston bilan Pokistonni birlashishiga bir zamin yaratishimiz kerak deb o'ylayman.
And of course, the very fact that I was awarded the honorable degree of a professor of the National University of Science and Technology of Pakistan is a great achievement. But at the same time, let me acknowledge that I'm acknowledging and receiving this honorable degree as a responsibility and the workload for me to serve for my new university as well, because I feel that I owe to this new university of mine, and with that things we had a very good short discussion with the president of National University of Science and Technology, and I already promised that in Uzbekistan we have one of the very modern, very sophisticated universities, University of Mining, and the head of the university at the same time is a minister of mining. I instructed him already to establish a chair of the National University of Science and Technology within that University of Mining in Uzbekistan.
Albatta, mana shu Pokiston Fan va Texnologiya Milliy Universiteti bilan birgalikda mana shu ikkita O'zbekiston bilan Pokiston universitetlari kelajakda ilmiy natijalarga erishishga men o'zim bosh bo'lib juda katta fundament qo'yamiz deb men sizlarga yana bir marta ishontiraman. Kelajakda mana shu bugungi tarixiy kun o'zini izini yangi kashfiyotlar, yangi olimlar, yangi mana shu startaplar chiqarayotgan bir ikkita davlatni zamini bo'ladi deb ishontiraman.
And of course, together with the National University of Science and Technology, the academia of Uzbekistan, various universities of Uzbekistan will be collaborating in close collaboration and cooperation. I will make sure that today's historic day will be just a day when we start the whole new page in the cooperation and collaboration between academia of both countries. And I will make sure that as a result of that work, we will come up with new discoveries, new scientific discoveries, as well as we will make sure that we will train and we will give to the service of both countries new scholars, new scientists, and new startups and new businesses. And we make sure that this will be the just historic day that all this collaboration started.
Albatta kelajakda ilmiy xodimlar, studentlar almashuvida ham Pokistonda ham O'zbekistonda yangi kashfiyotlar chiqib, qandaydir o'zini natijasini berayotgan hozirgi mana shu kiber xavfsizlik, umuman xavfsizlik, mana sun'iy intellekt bo'yicha yangi kashfiyotlar chiqarishiga juda katta zamin yaratamiz. Bu bir turtki bo'ldi desak, bu ham to'g'ri.
And I say that this collaboration between the universities shall cover other areas, including the exchange of faculty members of universities, and as well as the exchange of students. And as a result of that work, we have to make sure that this joint work will provide the very effective and very demanded outcomes, such as in the area of cybersecurity and the security as whole, as well as in the area of the AI and many other areas. And I believe that this will be just the start of this great journey of the scientific and the collaborative work in the education and training.
Bugun o'zaro do'stlik muhitida kechayotgan mana shunday quvonchli lahzalarda qadrli birodarim yana bir yangilikda aytdi. Pokistonning oliy davlat mukofoti Pokiston tabriklaganingiz uchun va men uchun bu juda katta sharaf deb o'ylayman va bu faqat menga emas, bu e'tirof nafaqat Prezident Mirziyoyevga emas, balki butun O'zbekiston xalqiga nisbatan bildirgan samimiy hurmat va ehtirom ifodasi deb qabul qilaman.
And today, Your Excellency also surprised us with yet another great news, since you have announced that the President of the Uzbekistan was awarded with the highest level award of Pakistan, Nishani Pakistan, and I received that with a great feelings of, first of all, gratitude and gratefulness. At the same time, I believe that this is a clear sign of respect and a clear sign of the close friendship and brotherly relations between the both nations. And this is a high level of the acknowledgement of this close cooperation and friendship and brotherhood, not just between the heads of the states and not towards the President of the Republic of Uzbekistan, but this is a high level of respect toward the whole people of Uzbekistan.
Albatta bugun baribir mana shu tashrif tarixiy bo'ldi deyishga hamma asoslarimiz bor. Tor doirada biz juda mukammal har bir yo'nalish bo'yicha bitta hammasini xavfsizlik bo'yicha, mudofaa bo'yicha, iqtisodiyot bo'yicha, umuman yangi kashfiyotlar bo'yicha va mana shu siyosiy nuqtai nazardan har bir yo'nalish bo'yicha bitta o'tib chiqdik. Men o'ylayman bu tarixiy tashrifligiga asos bo'lib, biz mana strategik kengashimizda ham kelishib oldik va tor doirada kelishganimiz protokolni imzoladik. Bu umuman hech qachon bundaqa protokol bo'lmagan o'zi. Tashqi ishlar vazirligida ham, men o'ylayman O'zbekistonda bo'lmagan. Bu ham bir kashfiyot bo'ldi desak to'g'ri bo'ladi. Majlisdan keyin protokolga bosh vazir bilan prezident qo'l qo'ydiki, mana shu hamma aytgan niyatlarimiz amaliy natija berishiga muhrlab qo'ydik desam, bu ham tarixiy voqea bo'ldi.
Your Excellency, dear friends, we have all the grounds and all the reasons to assure and to announce that today's discussion, today's work and the collaboration we had was a really and truly historic one, because we have discussed all the issues, all the main issues, and in a detailed manner. First of all, during our short and narrow talks, and we have discussed issues starting from the security and the defense, all the way going to economic issues, to political issues, to trade, investments, and many others. And then, as a result of those talks, we have decided that we would sign a protocol that will serve as a basis for signing the larger agreements on establishing this joint councils and joint working groups and domains to work further on those issues. And I can say that the very fact that we have decided to sign such a protocol was a historic one. It never happened in the history of Minister of Foreign Affairs work, as far as I know. And this was for the first time. And this is kind of a new discovery and a kind of a game changer, I should say, Your Excellency. And I think that we, as the heads of the two states, we have signed it as and it serves as a at the same time as a fundamental basis and sealing our both promises from the both sides that we will deliver on those areas that we discussed.
Shuni alohida ta'kidlashni istardimki, jadal rivojlanib borayotgan zamonaviy Pokiston bizning Janubiy Osiyodagi ishonchli hamkorimiz, xalqaro miqyosda katta nufuz va obro' e'tiborga ega bo'lgan salohiyatli strategik sherigimizdir.
I'd like to specifically outline that Pakistan, which is developing very rapidly and which is achieving high results and showing that modern Pakistan can achieve a high level of development. And in South Asia region, Pakistan is our very time-tested and reliable partner and closest friend.
Hurmatli bosh vazir janoblari, jahondagi hozirgi murakkab vaziyatga qaramasdan yuksak Pokiston dasturi asosida aholi farovonligi hamda jadal iqtisodiy o'sishni ta'minlash yo'lida ulkan islohotlarni amalga oshirmoqda. Pokiston davlati erishilayotgan bunday salmoqli yutuqlar yaqin birodar sifatida bizni ham, O'zbekiston xalqini ham, meni ham juda beqiyat xursand qiladi va bu yutuqlar bilan bosh vazirni va Pokiston xalqini alohida tabriklamoqchiman.
Your Excellency, Honorable Prime Minister, despite the current complex situation unfolding around the world, within the framework of the Iran-Pakistan program, large-scale reforms aimed at ensuring public welfare and accelerated economic growth are being implemented under your leadership, and such achievements of the state of Pakistan undoubtedly make us very pleased and very happy to acknowledge, since we consider ourselves as your closest friends and a brotherly nation.
Olijanob Pokiston xalqida chin do'stlik insoniyatning eng bebaho ne'mati degan ma'noli naql bor.
And the very wise, the people of Pakistan has centuries of wisdom, and the Pakistan people has cherishable value of humanity.
Shuning uchun bugungi betakror Islomobod shahridagi ko'chalardan biriga Toshkent nomi berilgani ana shunday yaqin birodarlik ruhini mustahkamlashga qaratilgan yuksak ehtirom ifodasidir.
And of course, the very fact that today we actually named one of the streets of Islamabad as by the name of Tashkent, this already is a clear sign of the close friendship and the brotherhood we have and respect to each other.
Va mana shu poytaxtning mana shu katta ko'chalardan birida hurmatli birodarim bosh vazir rozi bo'lganlari Zahriddin Muhammad Bobur nomidagi parkni bunyod etish, bu degani biz bir-birimizga qanday tarixda yaqin bo'lganimizni ifodasi va bugungi kun namoyandasi biz bir bo'lganimiz davomiyligi, abadiyligidan bir tasdiq deb o'ylayman va mana shu tez fursatlarda biz yuqori darajadagi hozir birodarim qo'shimcha aytib Farg'ona mahallasi bilan birga shu joyda Bobur parkini olijanob qilib yoshlarni eng va Islomobod xalqini yaxshi joylarga birga aylantirishga juda katta harakat qilamiz va yaqin oylarda shu tuhfani albatta Islomobod shahriga biz O'zbekistondan katta tuhfa sifatida albatta topshirishga juda katta harakat qilamiz.
And of course, I would like to especially thank my dear brother, Honorable Prime Minister, His Excellency, for accepting our suggestion and permitting to build the park named after the great ancestor Zahiriddin Muhammad Babur in one of the areas of Islamabad. And this is a great sign of close friendship and collaboration between us. And also, Your Excellency have added another idea to establish the Fergana village as well. And we will do our best to deliver on your expectations, and we'll try our best to make sure that this park that will be established, built in Islamabad, will serve for the great time and leisure of families and people of Islamabad to come and spend time and know about this friendship. And it will be delivered to the people of Islamabad and Pakistan.
Albatta, hozir birodarim aytgan, hozir dunyodagi qiyin mojaroli mana shu voqealarga birgalikda hamdard bo'lib, mana shu Palestin xalqiga qilayotgan, G'azo xalqiga mana shu tashabbuslariga biz juda katta birgalikda harakat qilsak, natijamiz ana shu hozirgi murakkab vaziyatga birgalikda bir bo'lib, mana shu tashqi ishlar vazirlarimiz bilan birga har bir tashabbusni birgalikda chiqarsak, men o'ylayman, hozirgi mana shu juda tahlikali zamonda do'stlik, birodarlik baribir tinchlikni yo'lini topishiga ishonaman va biz bir bo'lsak, bir yoqadan harakat qilib, mana shu dunyo hamjamiyatini bir yoqada qilayotgan juda mana shu muammoli nuqtalariga biz albatta billa harakat qilishga qodirmiz va bu natija bo'lishiga ham ishonamiz.
And of course, as my dear brother, His Excellency Prime Minister mentioned about the complex situation and the turbulent times that we are undergoing through, and a lot of reasons by a lot of problems and the conflicts that we are observing day to day. And on the basis of all of that, I truly and fully support the idea of my dear brother to unite our efforts and to make sure that our position will be united, first of all, on the very key and eager situations that we have around the world, starting from the Palestine, in order to provide the long-awaited assistance and support people of Palestine who have been suffering for quite a long time, and many other issues. And we will make sure that through our Minister of Foreign Affairs will be taking each and every step on the basis of the joint agreed actions and the plans, and each and every initiative will be actually discussed and agreed upon by the both parties. If we unite our forces and our efforts, and we will be able to cope with any problems and difficulties that are present nowadays and what might be actually emerging in the future as well.
So'zimni yakunida barchangizni kelgusi oyda keng nishonlanayotgan shonli bayram Pokiston kuni tantanalari bilan ham tabriklayman.
In conclusion, once again, I would like to congratulate all of you on the upcoming grand celebration, the Day of Pakistan Day, that will be celebrated next month.
Musulmon ummati uchun mutabar ayyom, pok niyat va ezgu duolar ijobat bo'layotgan muqaddas Ramazon oyi bilan ham barchangizni chin qalbimdan samimiy muborakbod etaman. E'tiborlaringiz uchun katta rahmat.
I also sincerely congratulate all of you from the bottom of my heart on the holy month of Ramadan, a sacred time for the Muslim Ummah when pure intentions and good prayers are accepted. Thank you very much for your attention.
Ladies and gentlemen, during the delegation level talks, the two leaders have agreed to sign a protocol for enhancing bilateral trade and economic cooperation between the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and the Republic of Uzbekistan to enhance the bilateral trade to $2 billion within the next 5 years.
Hurmatli xonimlar va janoblar, delegatsiyaning tashrifi mobaynida ikkala rahbar xususan yuqori darajali protokolga qo'l qo'yishga qaror qabul qilgan edilar. Ushbu protokolimiz bizni ikki tomonlama savdo va iqtisodiy aloqalarni kuchaytirishga qaratilgan. Xususan, Pokiston Islom Respublikasi va O'zbekiston Respublikasi o'rtasidagi aloqalarni kuchaytirish va shu bilan birgalikda savdo miqdorini 2 milliard dollarga keyingi yillar mobaynida kuchaytirishga qaratilgan.
The two sides shall constitute a joint working group to formulate an action plan for identifying sectors for enhancing bilateral trade and economic cooperation through mutual consultations.
Ikkala tomon ham qo'shma ishchi guruhini ta'sis etish qaroriga kelishdi va ushbu ishchi guruhimiz harakatlar rejasini shakllantirib beradi. Bu reja asosida ikki tomonlama savdo va iqtisodiy hamkorlik.
The two honorable leaders are requested to kindly sign the documents.
Biz ikkala hurmatli rahbarni hujjatni qo'l qo'yishga chorlaymiz.
Ladies and gentlemen, during the delegation level talks, the two leaders have agreed to sign a protocol for enhancing bilateral trade and economic cooperation between the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and the Republic of Uzbekistan to enhance the bilateral trade to $2 billion within the next 5 years.
Hurmatli xonimlar va janoblar, delegatsiyaning tashrifi mobaynida ikkala rahbar xususan yuqori darajali protokolga qo'l qo'yishga qaror qabul qilgan edilar. Ushbu protokolimiz bizni ikki tomonlama savdo va iqtisodiy aloqalarni kuchaytirishga qaratilgan. Xususan, Pokiston Islom Respublikasi va O'zbekiston Respublikasi o'rtasidagi aloqalarni kuchaytirish va shu bilan birgalikda savdo miqdorini 2 milliard dollarga keyingi yillar mobaynida kuchaytirishga qaratilgan.
The two sides shall constitute a joint working group to formulate an action plan for identifying sectors for enhancing bilateral trade and economic cooperation through mutual consultations.
Ikkala tomon ham qo'shma ishchi guruhini ta'sis etish qaroriga kelishdi va ushbu ishchi guruhimiz harakatlar rejasini shakllantirib beradi. Bu reja asosida ikki tomonlama savdo va iqtisodiy hamkorlik.
The two honorable leaders are requested to kindly sign the documents.
Biz ikkala hurmatli rahbarni hujjatni qo'l qo'yishga chorlaymiz.